Scotsman residential ice machines should be cleaned every 6 months to ensure proper function and avoid issues related to lack of maintenance. More frequent cleanings may be required in certain environments due to water and/or air conditions. Examples include high-use kitchens and areas with water containing high mineral content. The cleaning process for this machine, the SCN60, is unique from other Scotsman residential machines. Similar videos on how to clean SCC30, SCC50, and DCE33 models are available. The cleaning process on any ice machine includes 2 main steps: scale removal and sanitizing. In order to clean the machine, the following tools and supplies will be needed: Scotsman Clear 1 Pre-Mix Scale Remover, scissors if the bottle is new, household bleach, a bucket, a cleaning cloth, hand and eye protection, dish soap, and a nylon brush. If the ice machine is on and making ice, press and release the on-off button. The green light will blink for about a minute as the unit shuts off. Once the machine turns off, empty all the ice in the bin and discard. Remove the ice scoop and fold the scoop holder down so that it sits flush to the bin wall. Remove the back panel of the bin by loosening both thumb screws, pulling the panel down, and removing it through the front of the machine. Locate the water reservoir and turn off the water supply to the reservoir by turning the knob a quarter turn counterclockwise. In older units, instead of a knob, a lever is used to turn the water off. Push the release tab at the front of the reservoir and remove the cover. Pull the rubber drain plug, located near the back left corner of the bin, and allow the system to drain before returning the plug. Use a pair of scissors to cut about a ½ inch off the end of the squirt nozzle and add pre-mixed Scotsman Clear 1 scale remover into the reservoir until about half full. This should be about 8 ounces, or half the bottle. To initiate the clean cycle, press and hold both the on-off button and the clean reset button for 5 seconds until the yellow time to clean light begins to blink. The auger will begin to rotate, and after about 10 minutes the yellow light will go solid. The compressor will turn on, and the ice machine will begin making ice. During this portion of the clean cycle, it's normal for the ice being produced to be gray or black, and the unit may make some noises, such as squealing. As the machine makes ice, the level of scale remover in the reservoir will start to drop. Keep the reservoir about half full with solution, adding more Clear 1 every few moments as needed, until the entire bottle has been used. Once all the Clear 1 has been added to the reservoir, turn the water to the reservoir back on via the knob or lever. Allow the machine to complete the clean cycle, which should take about 40 minutes in total. Use this time to wipe down the exterior panels of the machine and door handle, and wash the ice scoop with soap and water. At the completion of the cycle, the machine will shut off and all the lights on the touch panel should now be off. With the water to the reservoir still on, pull the rubber drain plug and allow the reservoir to drain. Then, return the plug. Any ice made during this time will contain scale remover, a food-grade acid, and should never be consumed. Pour warm water into the bin to melt the ice formed during scale removal. Return the reservoir cover to its original position. The water will need to be turned off to fit the cover over the knob, so make sure to turn the water back on after snapping the cover into place. Reinstall the back panel, tightening both thumb screws, and then snapping the bottom in place. Mix some Clear 1 and hot water in a bucket, and then scrub the interior surfaces of the bin and door with the scale removal solution. Rinse the bin with clean, warm water. Create a sanitizing solution with 1 ounce of household bleach and 2 gallons of warm water. Then, wipe the interior surfaces of the bin and door with the sanitizing solution. Pour the remainder of the sanitizer down the bin drain. Rinse the bin one final time with clean, warm water. Turn the machine on to resume making ice. There are additional maintenance items that should be checked and performed when a machine is cleaned. This includes condenser cleaning, drain system cleaning and maintenance, and checking the bearing for excessive wear. Reference the machine's manual and other videos to learn how to perform these maintenance items.